Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the students of class 2nd to today's English grammar class. Today, we are going to do revision of chapter 1, that is about word, and chapter 2, that is sentence. Myself, Swati Malik, will be presenting this video. Let us learn about word. We do have already learned about word in our chapter 1. Today we are going to revise about it. Let us start. A word is a group of letters that are written in certain order. So children, a word is a group of letters that are written in proper order. When we join group of letters, it must make complete sense. Then only we can say it a word. For example, if I say A-N-T, then it is a word because it makes sense. In same way, if we are arranging it in an order of T-N-A, then we do not call it any word. A word is the smallest unit of language which has a meaning. So, word is the smallest unit of language. We can speak or write any word. Sometimes a single letter can be used as a word. For example, I. I is itself a complete word. A. A is also a complete word in itself. We can make a sentence by writing a group of words in the certain order. As we have done in case of word, when we join the group of letters, it makes word, while when we make group of words, it makes a sentence. Word may describe person, place, object, action or ideas. So children, any word can be description of any object, action or any idea. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Agra, book, eat, respect. These are few words representing person as Mahatma Gandhi, Agra as place, book as an object or thing, eat as an action and respect as an idea. So I repeat once again, word may describe person, place, object, action or ideas. Compound words. Compound means by joining. Words made by joining two different words are called compound words. For example, foot plus ball is football. Pea plus hen is peahen. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Light plus house is lighthouse. So, children, I repeat once again, words made by joining two different words are called compound words. Now, let us learn about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. When we arrange a group of words to make complete sense, then we call it a sentence. Some important features of sentence are: a sentence must always begin with a capital letter. Children, always remember that a sentence always begins with a capital letter. In the first word of the sentence, the first alphabet must be a capital letter. Also, after the full stop, when we start next sentence, it must begin with a capital letter. The word used in the sentence must be in their proper order. So children, if the words are not arranged in proper order or sequence, then it may not make any sense. So only meaningful sentences are sentences. That is why it is said that word used in the sentence must begin with the proper order. It must be arranged in the proper order. Next feature is punctuation marks as full stop, question marks and exclamation mark must be used at the end of the sentence. In a sentence, punctuation marks must be properly used. Full stops, question marks and exclamation marks as per the requirement of sentence must be inserted in the sentence. So I repeat children, punctuation marks as full stops, question mark and exclamation mark must be used at the end of the sentence. Children, let us have look on revision test paper 1. You have to do this revision test in your grammar copy. Match the compound words. So children, in the first question, you have to match the words to make a compound word. Children, in your answer sheet, just write down the answers in front of correct question. First one is basket, B, tooth, C, sun, D, moon, E, butter. You have to find out the correct word to make the compound word of these words. Brush, fly, ball, shine, light. So children, you have to write down the correct answer in front of the question. Next one is complete the following sentences. So children, you have to write down the correct words to complete the sentences. And it must be a meaningful sentence. First one is the earth. Second one, what? Third one, my friend. Third question is unscramble the words. So children, these are unscrambled words and you have to write down in correct order to make it a word. First one is RACORM, B APDS, C ATB. You have to unscramble these words. Fourth one, fill in the missing alphabet to make it a word. So children, here you have to fill in the blank the correct letter to complete the word. First one is L dash, then again one dash, then N. B part, K dash, dash and dash, E. So here children, 3 blanks are there. You have to fill in the correct alphabets or letters to make it a word. It must be a meaningful word. You have to do this revision worksheet in your copy and learn all the exercises for test. That's all for today's class, children. Hope you would have enjoyed your class well. Thank you everyone. Take care. Goodbye.